This is the evening of Sunday, June 14, 2026. Good evening, everyone. Most of the time, when people hear me talking about that, I don't believe in one Nigeria, they don't understand what I mean by that. What I mean is that I don't believe in Nigeria system. And I don't believe Nigeria as a country is going to work. It has never worked and it will never work. Now, a major general, most of you who are in the media, who are in the social media, you know nothing about the rank of a major general. You don't know at all. You don't know what it means to be a major general. You don't know how many battles and wars he must have fought to attain that position. When he was in the army, he was not killed, but blood-sucking terrorists called bandits. They kidnapped him. They killed him in captivity. They contacted the government. We killed your general. It's in our custody. We are going to do you a favor. We are not going to leave his body in the bush. We are going to deliver his body to you. This is where you are going to get the body. And the government said, thank you. You are they mad, like you are no get brain. Government told the terrorists, thank you. After contacting them, terrorists contacted them. Your general is dead. Mr. Abubakar is dead. We are going to do you a favor to deliver his dead body to you. We are not going to just abandon him for maggots to eat him in the forest. Let us deliver him to you. And you open your dirty and demonic mouth to tell the terrorists thank you. You see, I've never been wrong about defining Nigeria. It is you people that don't understand this country that continue to see. The more we run away from the main solution, the worse things will come and worse things will become. The worst thing is going to come and things will become worse because we are running out from the main solution to all this problem. The solution is simple. Ethnic nationalities, people who have the same ideology, they must have a sovereign national authority to defend themselves, to build themselves, and give themselves the constitution and the future they deserve. Nigeria now, when you look at it, I want you to sit down, take some time, and consider what is actually going on in Nigeria system. Nigeria has totally abandoned secondary constitution. Nigeria has totally abandoned the ideologies that made up the secondarity, so-called secondarity they call themselves. Nigeria is now practicing Sharia. Nigeria is indirectly practicing Sharia. Tell me, which constitution, which law? You know, if I'm saying all these things sometimes, a lot of you hear, but you don't think about what I'm saying. Tell me any law that permits you to reintegrate terrorists into the society. Tell me any law in Nigeria that permits you to put terrorists in the army. Tell me any law that permits you to put terrorists in Aso Rock. Tell me any law that permits a politician to import terrorists. Tell me that Tinubu and his cohorts carried out. Tell me any law. Like, I have been thinking about this thing from, like, something is totally wrong. This is not just all about the people now. Both the land, something is totally wrong. There is something wrong. Something that is wrong. Even the people who are professors, who are intellectuals, whether they are really intellectuals or pseudo intellectuals, I don't know. But the main issue is that something is wrong somewhere. You mean, like Christopher Musa is a general, I hope you know. I want the defense minister to put himself in this position. You are a general. The person that they kill is a general. Do you get me? Now, they now deliver the corpse of the person they kill. They contacted the government. This is not because they just drop it on the road and the passerby saw a dead body and they alerted the government. No. They pick up their phone. Hello? Yeah. Am I talking to Mr. Governor? All right. General Abubakar, who is in our custody, he is now dead. We are going to do you a favor. We are going to drop his corpse so place. Come and pick it. We are there. Just come and pick it before any other person will carry it. Make sure that you carry it. That is the favor we are going to do to you. We are not going to leave his body inside the bush so that the maggots and, animals will not eat his dead body. And they said, thank you. Thank you. Okay, we'll come and pick him. I don't believe in this Nigeria now. No, I don't believe in this Nigeria. No. I'm so I will not tell you that I'm sorry about what I'm saying. I don't believe in this country. No. Then General, is it General Boo? That Hausa man. brigadier general, something like that. He was leading the command against ISWAP. Then, after ISWAP attacked them, he was hidden. He was safe. He sent a message to the Nigerian army. Come and rescue me. This is my position. They compromised the position to the ISWAP. The Nigerian authority leaked his position to the terrorists. And terrorists killed him. General Ba, yeah. They killed him. And up to today, believe what? They have not seen the dead body of a general. Up to today. So, maybe they must have warned the people they are sponsoring, no, you have to bring the dead body, don't just discard their body like that. And they have to call them this one and tell them, come and take the dead body of your general we killed. People need to understand that Nigeria will not save you. Nigeria will not save you. See, if you understand the power of these politicians, why they boast, you can't do anything, you can't do this, you can't do that. They control the terrorists. The terrorists is their major power. They control the terrorists. Now, let me shock you. Let me give you another shock. Most of the time, you see Ojuzo Kanu, Wike, Akpabio, Christopher Musa, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You know why I'm mentioning these people's name? Because these people have come to the national television to say that politicians are sponsoring insecurity. And these politicians are in the opposition, that they are destabilizing the country. Let me shock you. There is nothing like opposition sponsoring the insecurity. APC, LifeWire is insecurity. They came through insecurity, through importing terrorism. They are living by sponsoring terrorism. And I believe they will be consumed with that terrorist that they have been nurturing. See, people might be foolish. People might be dumb and unable to think. But I don't think so many people will be deceived by a sitting president saying that his fellow politicians who are in the opposition are sponsoring insecurity against him. What happens to your power as a commander-in-chief of the armed forces? No, what happened to that power? What happened to that command? Do you know what it means to be commander-in-chief? Or should we turn it to the commander of terrorists? No, we have to know what you are commanding. If you say that the opposition people are the ones sponsoring security, automatically you know the people. That is why you accuse them. If you don't know the people who are sponsoring it, you will not accuse them. Then it is now your challenge, and in fact, it is something for your own good to crush people in opposition. It is now for your own good to crush people in opposition and establish your authority above them. If you know they are the ones sponsoring insecurity, why can't you crush them? You say they are in the opposition, they want to remove you in power through insecurity. What happens to that power of commander-in-chief? You are lying, sir. You are the one sponsoring the insecurity by accusing the opposition. Because if it is the opposition, go and arrest them, put them where they belong. But this is because the insecurity you people nurtured is now against you. And you don't know how to manage it. You understand? This is what Kawu Baraje said in his 70th birthday. He said, we imported these terrorists to remove Jonathan. We imported Fulani militia from Mali, Senegambia, and the Sahel to remove Goodluck Jonathan. And when these people came, when they entered into the country, after the election, in fact, before the election, when the PDP faction, PDP divided, part of PDP of Atiku Abubakar, Bukola Saraki, Dino Menlaye, and the rest of them now joined the APC coalition, and you know what, they removed Jonathan. And that was why Bukola Saraki was in PDP as a Senate president under APC administration. And he showed Buhari hell. He showed him hell. Challenged to impeach him. In fact, that was in that Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Every other ones we are seeing are not just rubber stamp, but I will not say what is in my mind. I will not say out the adjective I used to qualify them. Traitors. They connived to cause hardship in the country. Now, I don't know. We must be able to stand in one place. And even though this fight is going to take us 100 years, 200 years, the fight for freedom must be generational. If you believe that you can make Nigeria work, I want you to go and think again. The commander-in-chief, who is your president, ask him, why do they import these terrorists called bandits? Just ask him. Even his spokesperson, Daine Buanda, made the statement that Tinubu imported Fulani militia. That Tinubu is the first president that formed militia. No, the first party, APC, the first party that formed militia to remove a sitting president. And you want me now to sit down watching the people Tinubu imported to kill Nigerians? You want me to sit down to clap for you people, to support him, why those people are massacring Nigerians? I mean, this is not an allegation. They accepted that they did it. You can hear it from Tanebanda, Kowa Baraje. You can hear it on national television from Erufai. You can hear it on national television from Enyinaya Baribe. The rest of the, I have the videos in files. Guess what? Nobody has come out to debunk it. What are you going to debunk? No, what are you going to debunk? And someone is here telling me rubbish. You people don't know what you are doing. You people don't know what you are doing. Like, these people have surrounded everybody. Guess what? These people can be patient, maybe waiting for the Republican Party to leave office in America. They may wait for Trump to leave. Oh, Trump is interested in Nigeria now. If anything happens, America may even come and remove the president and scatter Nigeria. Even though they won't be able to solve the insecurity, they will just scatter everywhere. They will not agree for Nigeria to be totally Islamized. So let us keep this jihad. Then in the next election of America, let us sponsor Democrats. You will see Gulf countries, Arab countries will release billions of dollars into the America next coming election. Watch what I'm saying, write it down. To compromise the election, to do everything, to making sure that Kamala Harris, Obama's party, the Democrats will win the election. And once they win the election, know that Nigeria is prone for a holistic jihad. Yeah, Nigeria will be prone for a holistic jihad. They will now make call and tell everybody position. You will come out in your cell in so day and make sure you launch attack holistically at once in the whole country. They will overwhelm the military. They will overwhelm everybody. That time, the president will now make a call and said, now let us negotiate. Instead of them to kill people, I think there is a room for peace. Let us negotiate. Now, the negotiation, they will say, why are you people fighting? We are fighting because you people exclude us. Nigeria must fall under Sharia. You people exclude us. You people excluded us from long practicing Western culture. Now, it is time for us to practice Sharia. The government will say, no, we will not agree. They'll begin to negotiate. Before you know, part of the 12 states who have fallen under Sharia, they will say, we have no choice. Sharia is not a bad thing. We have agreed to become a Sharia state. Total Sharia. I'm telling you what is going to happen. I am telling you what is going to happen. And people will be murmuring. You will see the battle will be going on. Villages will be sacked. They will say, the villagers are fighting back. Soldiers are surrendering. Before you know, they will declare Caliphate Republic of Nigeria and impose a Sharia law. Then what will happen then? No, what is going to happen then? You'll be crying, right? Make a hill while the sun shines. Make a hill while the sun shines. So, I don't believe this country is going to work because both the people in power, whom you are believing to solve this solution, they are interested in destroying it. They are interested in making Nigeria to become a Sharia state. And they can't do that without launching a jihad. I'm telling you the truth. Save this video because you are going to remember it in the future.